Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video I want to show you the 3 things you can think about before you starting to think to creating the battery power bank. This time the battery power bank is the very important, is the device we need in our daily life. So the 3 things you have to think on it as electronics engineer. So you have to think like, the battery power bank. The first thing you have to say, like, we have most of the power bank using lithium battery. So the lithium battery, they have 3.7 volt up to 4.2, right? So this 3.7 volt, you have to think on the boost converter, right? So the first thing you have to think on it is the boost converter, right? So because you have to creating the boost converter from 3.7 to 5 volt, right? It's like this one, right? So another thing you have to look on it is this one, is the have to look on the after that you have to look on the step down. The boost converter is the step up, right? So another thing you have to think on it is step down, right? On the time for the charging. When you're charging, you have to use the 3.7 lithium battery. Have to charging your phone. You remember, your phone input is a 5 voltage, right? So you have to using step up. And then for the charging, you have to use step down. So you have to step down. You have to converting the 5, because you have to use the charger of the 5 volt to charge the battery of 3.7, right? Up to 4.2, right? That's why you need step down, right? Because you have to take 5 volt to the 3.7. Another thing you have to take is this one, is the protection. You have to think on the protection. So I was telling you, you have to tell you 3 things you have to think on it when you need creating the power bank. First, you have to think on the step up. Second, step down. Third one, protection for the charging. And the charging, making sure if your battery is full charged, the system is automatically stop, and if the battery is low, it automatically go down, right? So I put this link in the description. You can look this link, because like here, this self-protection circuit which use 2 N-type effect transistor, key 1 and the key 2. They use these 2 for the protection. When the power bank is charging or the charging normally, the 2 transistors are the conductor state, the protection. Overcurrent, when the power bank battery cell is charged, once say the pin 3 for the chip output level signal cause Q2 to be cut off automatically to prevent overcharge from the causing the bad. That one I tell you. So The three things I was trying to tell you this time when you think to creating the power bank is that one. Don't forget to hit comment for any suggestion. Thank you. Bye bye.